American Psychology. This special issue seeks to correct this by spotlighting the innovative and important achievements of black psychologists who study race, ethnicity, culture, and racism. The goal is to encourage more dialogue on how to better represent the many diverse voices in science and mental health. I'm Terry McCready on the Black Information Network.
Black women are apparently leaving executive positions in great numbers, especially in the entertainment industry. Variety has reported on several notable departures, including Disney's Chief Diversity Officer and Senior Vice President, Latandra Newton. Netflix executive Verna Myers will also be stepping down from her role as head of inclusion strategy. Some industry insiders attribute the exits to a lack of resources and financial support, along with companies restructuring post-pandemic. The Marion County Sheriff's Office in Florida has released hours of body cam footage showing deputies responding to several calls at the home of Susan Lawrence, the white woman accused of shooting and killing her neighbor last month. A.J. Owens, who is black, was shot through Lawrence's door while knocking. HuffPost reports the videos show Lawrence complaining about her neighbor's kids, saying they harassed her. Called her a Karen.
I'm not right there harassing her or doing anything they're playing.
58-year-old Lawrence faces one count of manslaughter with a firearm and one count of assault.
And the Smithsonian National Portrait Gallery in Washington, D.C. is showcasing a beautiful photo collection of iconic black women titled I Dream a World, selections from Brian Lanker's portrait of remarkable black women. The exhibition currently features 25 photos from a larger collection first published in the late Pulitzer Prize-winning photojournalist's 1989 book. The collection includes dynamic women like Maya Angelou and Leontine Price. The exhibit runs through September 10th. I'm Bree Wood, along with Nicole Deal, on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network. Now here's Mike Moore with your Washington Roundup.
The Department of Justice is going to appeal the court's decision to limit the Biden administration's talk with social media companies. Republican states have sued the administration alleging it colluded with social media sites to censor misinformation about COVID-19 and elections. Recently, a Trump-appointed judge issued a sweeping preliminary injunction barring numerous federal officials and agencies from having any contact with social media firms for the purpose of removing First Amendment-protected speech. Well, the Pentagon will make changes to how military personnel access classified information following a massive leak of top-secret documents earlier this year. An internal review of policies concluded the Defense Department should improve its security posture and accountability measures. It determined, however, that it does not have a widespread issue with keeping its secrets safe. And that's your Washington Roundup. I'm Mike Moore from your 24/7 news source, the Black Information Network and BINnews.com.
If you find it challenging to change careers or to get started in a new field where you have little experience, there's good news. You probably already have what are called transferable skills, abilities like communication, organization, and teamwork that are highly sought after by employers. The Black Information Network and Career Builder launched the 100,000 Careers Initiative to empower black job seekers to take that next career step. To learn more about your transferable skills, book a free one-on-one job coaching session today at careerbuilder.com/BIN. That's careerbuilder.com/BIN.
The Bay Area's BIN 910 is powered in partnership with Direct Relief and Chevy. Thank you for partnering with a purpose on the Black Information Network.
Want to make a difference? African American patients only have a 25% chance of finding a bone marrow match. Make a difference and join the National Bone Marrow Registry at bethematch.org. You've got a voice. We've got a hotline. Call the Black Information Network at 855-500-9BIN.
I'm Mike Island, and here's the latest from the Black Information Network. Heavy rainfall and flash flooding risks threaten the Central Plains through Friday. The National Weather Service also says there's a possibility of severe storms and tornadoes in the High Plains today with large hail. The
Pentagon says 3 Russian fighter jets harassed U.S. drones on a mission over Syria. Brigadier General Pat Ryder said the jets dropped parachute flares into the drone's flight path. He called it unsafe and unprofessional behavior. Threads, Meta's competitor to Twitter, has already garnered millions of users in the hours since it launched Wednesday. The text-based social networking app allows Instagram users to post short updates, links, pictures, and videos. And that's the latest. I'm Mike Island from your 24/7 news source, the Black Information Network, and BINnews.com.
I'm Terry McCready.